Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. Behind me is a rare gem. I am super proud to say that I am offering this up for sale, and I'm super proud to actually own one of these cars. This is a 2007 Saleen Extreme. Very, very rare. In 2007, they only made 46 of these. This particular one was number 44. Very rare car. Research more about it. You can click the link in the description. Awesome car. Really is. I'm honored to have this one up, and a sticker. Actually, I haven't even done this yet. I just noticed that. Look at that. That is the original plastic film that you can peel off. I'm gonna let the next guy do it, even though I want to do it really bad. I want to peel that protective layer off because this is the original protective layer, but whatever. Brand new WeatherTech. This is the sticker still on them. Haven't taken that sticker off either. Brand new WeatherTech floor mats, front and passenger. Here's the most iconic spot right there. Saleen gauge is redlining at 6,000 RPMs, maxing out at 8. Speedometer, 200 mile speedometer, 200 mile an hour speedometer. Boost gauge and air temp gauge. 6-speed manual transmission with leather wrapped around it and billet. Iconic Saleen steering wheel, iconic embroidered Saleen seats, all 4 corners with the Saleen seatbelt guard, whatever you want to call it. I love these about the Saleen Mustangs. All the Saleens have, or all the, a lot of style Saleens have these, some don't. This is the iconic spot where you can see, like, oh my God, you look in the car, that's it right there. You see this going across the headrest and everything, louvered headrest, almost like the interior has some sort of aerodynamic aspect to it. Like the car just looks going fast just looking at it, sitting inside it. I got all brand new. This car was from the South, I believe Arizona, I'm pretty sure. But I ordered all brand new graphics directly from Saleen Incorporated out of Irvine, California. I got the bumper numbers directly from Saleen. The only one I did not get from Saleen is the Saleen bumper right there. I had to find that one on Amazon, but it's chrome and it looks beautiful. Here's the Saleen tips right there. It's just an awesome car. It really is. Beautiful setup right here. And you can tell it's got the Extreme badge, and there's actually forged internals in the car. The Extreme, pretty sure to my knowledge, it comes with them from the factory. If you guys know any more about these cars in particular, something that I didn't know, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Huge 6-piston calipers with the gloss black and the Saleen logo, lettering in yellow all across it. It's got a lot of goodies in this car. I can't really go too far underneath because it's low, but aluminum one-piece drive shaft. It's got, this is how you know you got a Saleen Extreme. It's got the carbon fiber rear diffuser, and I mean that sucker is aggressive looking, and it's all carbon fiber. It's solid. Here's the exhaust cutouts under there, the exhaust dumps as well as that. So I guess it's after a certain RPM, maybe warm up or something like that, it comes out of here and then it goes out of the center exit exhaust. Awesome features of this car, really is. A lot of goodies under there. You can kind of see. We'll pop the hood, show you guys the power plant. Pedals, and again, here's your footrest right here, left-hand footrest. Saleen, clutch, brake, gas pedal. And also door badging. This vehicle was altered by Saleen Incorporated. Here's all the specs for the tires. These are brand new tires, by the way. And there's your VIN number. So it's just, there's so many features of the car. And this is another feature of the Extreme. Instead of the half louvered right there with the window, it's a full block off right there, like the fast back block off. And when you sit in this car, it's like your spine just fits in these grooves right here. It's meant to race and hold you in spot. The lumbar is insane. It's just crazy. As you can see, like I said, the tires are pretty much brand damn new. Maybe have 1,000 miles on, if that, I don't know. Well, they're not brand new, they're freshly new, fairly new. Pop the hood, show you guys the beautiful power plant. Here we have dual throttle bar, Ford Racing throttle body right here. We got Accell coil packs. We got aftermarket injectors, the blue, I want to say they're 42cc injectors. Twin corkscrew root style supercharger. You have a, what's this called? West Inc. harmonic balancer, crank pulley. This car does have a lot of goodies on it. It really does. All the factory Saleen stuff. And here's the best iconic telltale feature of how you have what number Saleen and what kind of Saleen. This right here on the top left, this is the manufacturing date, 2 of 2007. The last 8 of the VIN number on the left bottom. On the top right, the ID, produced in 2007, and it's number 44. And the most telltale sign that's an Extreme, on the bottom right, it says S281E. E as in Echo, representing Extreme. And these cars were like it just says it, they were extreme in every way, shape, and form. They came from the factory ready to race. There's all the goodies right there. You got a Moroso catch can for the oil. What do you call it? Crankcase ventilation breather. There's this original Saleen ballast for the HIDs right there. There's some aftermarket ones because those only last so long. Duralast battery. And the Supercharger just sounds insane. It really does. There's a lot of goodies on this car I'm probably forgetting to talk about, but look in the description. You can find out more about it. I forgot, I was just about to tell you guys something. I forgot about it. Oh yeah, the front valance was painted. It was carbon fiber. It might have had a scratcher under here at some point, so it was painted. There's your oil pump right there. You got a few radiators behind here. Oil cooler, intercooler, and radiator right there, as you can see. This car, from my knowledge, I want to say this car in particular is putting down to the wheels, from my guess, because I've driven a lot of cars, everything from twin turbo Lamborghinis producing like 1200 horsepower all the way to 1000 horsepower Z06 that I had last year. It was a 2019 Z06 3LZ, and this one I'm almost positive is laying down every bit of 700 horsepower to the wheels. They come factory. I think the Extremes come, the regular Saleens come factory with 485, I want to say. Correct me in the comments. Saleen's Extremes comes with 550, I'm pretty sure. So this one, I want to say to the wheels, this car scares the shit out of me. It's built well, it drives good, it steers good. You can tell it's a modified Saleen, and some people have a thing against that because it's such a rare car. But it was built well. Nothing in the exterior features are compromised, as far as like the wheels are all factory, the body kit's factory and everything like that. But it's just a phenomenal car. It really is. And I can't stop talking enough about it. There's the key fob, a little generic. I love the Saleen, how a little bumper right there. But pop this open. There's the front license plate bracket, factory subwoofer, 12-inch subwoofer, Saleen, with a punch or kicker, whatever the hell you call it. The cover right there, it's got old and deteriorated, so it cracks and falls apart. I just kept it off. There's some other mats right there, but the cool part about the Saleens is these iconic wings. They come factory with the wing that just hangs off the back of the deck lid to get matched up nice and level with the bumper. Steve Saleen, the founder of Saleen Incorporated, was an enthusiast championship car racer, and his love for cars back in the early 80s, you know, won him his spot as far as iconically naming a division of Mustang after it. And this car is just everything about this guy. Him and I are probably best friends because everything's OCD and perfect. Like the wing, I hate when I see a bumper and the wing doesn't look like it's matched up with the bumper. Steve perfected that. I mean, this damn thing is dead even. And this has another wing on top of it. So your factory body line and then the other wing right there. So it's just an awesome car. It really is. Signed by Steve himself. Let's go look at it. I forgot to show you that. So you got your heat extraction vents right here. And inside here, there's a Saleen badge right there. So there we go again. Number 44 in 2007 S281E. Signed by Steve Saleen himself. Awesome car, guys. There's the headliner. There's the back seats right there. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. It's gonna kill me to get rid of it. But she's a wet dream. She really is. It's got a few small imperfections, as you can see. A little rock chip there, a little scratch down by the door right there, a little scratch down by there. Bumper's got some like spider web spots you can kind of see in there right there. But overall, I mean, she is just a gorgeous car. I'm so infatuated with these cars, I really am. And enough wasn't said about him, in my opinion. I think Steve could have took this to a new level of really giving everybody a chance to own one of these cars. But the Extreme was a very few made. And in 2007, like I said, only 46 were made, being this number 44. If you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up and share the videos. You can call 540-898-3025 or visit the website superiorwholesale.org. Or you can call or text my work cell phone 540-848-2974. Hope you guys are doing great. I'll talk to you soon. Here's the LEDs. And my son loves this, by the way. He names this car Barricade because in 2007, Hollywood destroyed 3 of these cars. Oops, I just flicked you off. 3 of them, making the Transformers movie. That was actually a 2007 Saleen Extreme you saw in that movie. And my son absolutely loves this car. Big shout out to my boy. I love you, buddy. Every day I love you. Wouldn't change it for the world. And he has just as much passion for these cars as I do. So yeah, I love them. They look so evil. I can't stop talking about it. I really can't, because it looks like when you're coming down the road, it looks like it wants to kill you. It really does. It looks like it's a car that wants to coming down the road to murder somebody. They're just evil looking cars. All right, guys, you take care. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm gonna start this bad boy up and head on out into the sunset. Clap your feet, wash your hands, put your tray tables in the upright position where your plane's about to take off. Neutral. Let you guys hear this bad boy real quick. You can hear that blower. Door jar. She just sounds evil. All right, guys, take care. Here we go. I'll let you hear it. Put the windows down and drive off. And another thing about it too is when you're driving it, you just feel so tough behind the banner, the Saleen windshield banner, and just the gauges. It's an awesome car. I'm gonna do another. You know what? I'm gonna do another video. I'm not gonna bore you guys. I'm gonna do another video of actually some drive-bys, and I'll post it on my channel. Okay. See you later.